Hi everyone! Welcome to Team Bangs! So for today's video, we're gonna do unboxing! Yay! So for today, we're gonna unbox. Ay! Binuksan! May toy ako. Yes, you have a toy. We're gonna unbox Lola Betchay's Pasalubong! So these are just some of the pasalubongs that we got. Yung iba na ibuksan na ni Malia, yung iba naman naitabi na. So these are just some na hindi pa namin na-unbox. May toy ako. She's checking if she has a toy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you want to start na? Are you ready? Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! What's that? What's that?
Toy.
A straw. Party straw. Oh, this one's for Papa. A toolkit.
For you.
For me? What's this?
For you.
What's this, baby? What's this? Batteries. Wow, what's that? Chalk. Chalk. These are big chalks. Nice. How about this one? Oh, what's inside? I think this is Mama's clothes. There's a lot of clothes. Wow. What's inside?
My toy.
Ooh, these are ribbons. What's that? You show it to them. Oh, very good. What else do you have? Skittles. What's that? You show it to them.
Chocolate.
Kaya our gift is not food. Whoa! These are scented markers. What else? What's inside the box? A candle. I think it's for Mom. What else do you have?
Toy.
This is a toy. It's a band-aid.
Yeah.
LOL band-aid. What's that? Eraser. Eraser. What else do you have? This one's for Hermie. The Seaman. Shaver cream.
Open the page.
What's that? It's a page. Show it to them. What else? What else do you see? Wow!
Wow.
Wow!
Ano na yung mga yan? Ping pong. It's a toy. I have wipes.
Yeah.
Cleansing cloths.
Wow.
It's a game. Card game. Frozen. What's that? My first words. Oh, show it to them. Puro ka, wow, nakatakip yung face mo. Hey, what's that? For Mama, it's a pointer.
Yeah, Daddy. Hindi sa akin to eh.
Ay, saan ba yan? Akala ko kay Mama pointer. Like, you.
Sa akin to.
Okay, sa'yo.
Sa akin to.
Sa akin to lahat.
Linis. It's so like
Sa akin to?
Wow.
What's that?
For me.
Show it to them. There's a lot. What's that? Your toothpaste.
Yeah.
For you or for me?
No.
For me.
Mini kite.
Kite!
For me kite.
Bawal na mag-kite na eh. We do this when Papa's here. What's this? Oh, my dress up.
Dress up.
Parang paper dolls.
Mini my stickers on.
Ayan yung sticker. That's what Lola's been telling you. The sticker unicorn.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's so nice.
Yeah. Because
What's that? It's a dress?
Nini, what else?
Wow, rainbow! It's a rainbow tutu. It's hydrocortisone cream. It's for mama. Whoa, you have a lot of clothes. Glue? Kanina yung glue. It's okay. How the dress pieces. Wow, what's the wow? Whoa, you have a big vitamin!
Wow.
Yummy vitamins! Pero you'll always be strong when, especially there's a virus. No, what's this? Glow bracelets. You share with Kayla. Okay. What else do you have? I have toothpaste, toothbrush. What else do you have? I saw shimmer. Ano yung wow, it's colored chalks. Kanino to? Sa akin na sa'yo? Sa akin. It's Hermie for Papa. What's that? Markers. Oy, who's this? Gemmies. It's shimmer and shine. Oh, we got another set of it. We're so blessed. Because it's expensive. Uy, what's this? Chalk and eraser set. Mama, there's no class. But thank you. Say thank you. What's this? This one? These are for art crafts. Confetti. Uy, what's that? Pencil? Kanina yung pencil? Kanina to? For Kayla or for Mia? For me? Meron pa dito. We have another box. Oh, what else do you have? This is for me. It's tops. What's this? It's a cup.
Hey, what's this?
Tops for me. Wow, you have a t-shirt.
I have t-shirt.
Oh, you have highlighters. You go to school na ba? Yay. And look at this, Leah.
Wow.
Ay, it fell. It's okay. Okay, see how it looks like on you? Wow! Say hi! Hi! Oh, it's a Glade. It's an air freshener. Kanina to?
Nini,
Kay Leah or kay Mama?
Saki.
Sa'yo. It fell? Wala na. Let's check it out. Wow, yung chocolate! Candy! Sino nga gusto mo? Hindi yan pwede sa'yo.
Hindi nga kay Barbie.
Okay, Barbie. Ano ito meron? Biscuits! Wow! It's for tea time. Chocolate again?
Hey.
Eggs! This? Biscuit. Ano yan? Oh, peaches!
Yeah.
Whoa, you have tuna.
Yeah.
You have pears. Fruit.
How about?
You have chocolate spam. there anything pa?
Yeah.
Wala na. Yay!
And
Ang dami!
my candy's there.
May candies there. Oh wait, before you open your candy, what are you gonna tell Lola Betchay?
Bye-bye.
Say thank. Oops, it's okay. Say thank you, Lola Betchay.
Thank you, Lola Betchay!
Yay! Thank you, Lord, for blessing Lola. You like your gifts?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you gonna share?
Yes.
Good job. Look here. Hug. Say thank you, Lola Betchay. Yeah. Say bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe. Peace out. Peace out. Yes. Yeah. Say hi. Thank you, Lola Betchay. Love you. Hi everyone! So we're back! Just a quick disclaimer. So thank you for supporting us and watching us, and we're sharing all of this not to boast or anything. May stickers ka. Yeah, she's so happy. Na-overwhelm siya sa dami. And we'd just like to share how thankful and blessed we are for having mom. Kasi if you notice na kahit may mga family na kami, she still blesses us and always remembers us. And everyone has a fair share of everything. Pero syempre, di ba yung mga apo is a special to the Lola. Ayun. So, bata pa kami ganon. Every time she goes home or goes to somewhere, mayroon kaming pasalubong and all. And up to now, she keeps it. And that is really one of her best traits. And we're so thankful. And yun lang, we'd just like to share how blessed we are for having mama. Actually, this video is for you, mom. And we'd like you to know that we appreciate you, we love you, and we miss you. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much. More than the material things, syempre, it will still always be you and God. Yun lang po. Thank you, thank you. Bye! Bye-bye, Mia. Can I see your face? I love you.